Hi, this is the movie for Chapter 7, Problem Solve 2. We're down to step 15. So it's going to be step 15 and 16 where we're going to build this query about physical volume. So let's go ahead and read this. It says, create a query based on product that displays product description, category. Okay, so let me do this. So we're going to do product. We're going to pick product description, category, and then a calculated field named physical volume that shows the physical volume of each item. So let's keep reading to see how we're going to calculate that. To the right of the volume field, add a calculated field which determines what to the right of the volume field, add a calculated field named remaining volume that determines which items can fit into the smallish shipping box, which has a total volume of 142 cubic inches. Okay, so let's walk through this. So let's do the things we know for sure. So let's create a query in Design View, and let's put in product. Oops, product, Helen. And then I'm going to get rid of customer because I clicked on that in error. So I just did a right click and removed. So we know we want product description and category. So then we need to figure out physical volume. So physical volume is the multiplication of height times length times depth. Okay, so what is that going to be called? Physical volume. So we're going to go to the next. We're going to right click and we're going to zoom. So this is going to be called physical volume, and it's going to take these three size values, height, length, and depth, and we're going to multiply each of them. So height times length times depth. That's how you figure out the area or the volume, right? I'm going to go ahead and do OK. So we have physical volume. So now to the right of this volume field, determine what items can fit into the smallest shipping box that has a total volume of 142 cubic. So that's called remaining volume. So we're going to right click and zoom, and we're going to call it remaining volume. And so it's just 142, which is the smallest volume box that you have, minus this calculated field that we just made. So one of the things that you want to watch when you're using other calculated fields in another calculation within the same query, you want to make sure that it's in the right order. So we had to determine physical volume before we could use it in the next calculated field. So that should be that. So let's run it. So now we have everything in all of the categories, right? And physical volume and remaining volume. So let's just take this, the dice. So its volume is 1, right? So its height times width times length is 1. The box is 142, so 142 minus 1 is 141. So that's a quick way to double check that it is working correctly. So let's go back and let's see if we've got everything here. So I think we have 15 done. So 16 to the right, add a calculated remaining that calculates this. Save the query. That's what we didn't do. Save it. We're going to save it as qry physical volume, boom. So we've got that done. Okay, so I think we're done with this query. Let's just double check it. Okay. Yep, so we're going to close that, and I think we should have one more movie for this. All right, thank you.